Protect our vote! Protect our vote!
Voting rights advocates rallied outside the U.S. Supreme Court on Wednesday as the 9 justices heard arguments challenging a key provision of the Voting Rights Act, the landmark civil rights law that prevents racial discrimination in voting.
This case is about the black and the brown. This case is about the people whose voices, votes, and very vitality stand and hang in the balance.
The case involves the composition of electoral districts in Louisiana, where black people make up roughly a third of the population. During oral arguments, the conservative justices signaled their willingness to undercut Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, which prohibits electoral maps that would result in diluting the power of minority voters, even without direct proof of racist intent. Here's conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh.
This court's cases in a variety of contexts have said that race-based remedies are permissible for a period of time, sometimes for a long period of time, decades in some cases, but that they should not be indefinite and should have an endpoint.
A group of black voters appealed the lower court's finding that a voting map that added a second black majority congressional district in Louisiana was guided too much by racial considerations, in violation of the constitutional promise of equal protection under the law. Lawmakers are allowed to draw maps to favor their own political parties and protect politicians already in office, known in the U.S. system as incumbents. Conservative Justice Samuel Alito pressed this point.
Isn't seeking partisan advantage also an objective that a legislature may legitimately seek?
The attorney for the black voters, Janae Nelson, president of the NAACP Legal Defense Fund, said that is not true if the partisan line drawing comes at the cost of the equal protection principle. Liberal Justice Elena Kagan tried to focus the arguments on the real-world impact of a decision gutting Section 2. Kagan asked Nelson what would happen if Section 2 ceased to operate to prevent vote dilution in redistricting.
I think the results would be pretty catastrophic.
The court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, is expected to make its ruling in June.